Hello, in this video I will show you how to add downloaded libraries to Cubase. For example, I've downloaded a list of these files and I didn't know that Cubase has Library Manager. It looks like that. But there is no any button to add new libraries, and I want them to stay on my E disk. I don't want them to copy to C because they take a lot of space. So one of the ways you can run Steinberg Library Manager in command line, and you can use a folder where your content is as argument. In my case, I will use Grow Engine content. I will copy its path into the command line, and Library Manager will open and it will offer me a register in place, so this library will be available in Cubase, but I don't need to copy it on another HDD.